Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Recently I have joined in a company called TransUnion. So I have received a welcome kit from them. So I want to share with you like what they have given in that welcome kit. So let's open the box and we will see what it is present inside it. So I have received a note on regarding this TransUnion, what information presented. You can read it on the screen. And after that, I have received a keychain. I think I'm not sure what it is exactly. And after that, I have received a pen. Yeah, it's also nice. And after that, I have received a stickers, so we can attach wherever we want. We can attach on the books or walls somewhere regarding TransUnion related things again. And after that, I have received a book which is branded on TransUnion, so this is also good. And I have received a coffee cup, and I think this build quality is also superb. And after that, I have received a bottle which is a TransUnion logo again, and the build quality is very good on this. And yeah, finally these are the things I have received, guys. And a bottle, a cup, and a book which is with TransUnion logo. And I have received the stickers, and I have received a pen and a keychain, and this is the welcome note. Yeah, thank you guys. I would like to share with you and hope you will like it, and I hope you will also achieve a good things in your life. Thank you.